Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to ring someone's phone on a silent iPhone using a simple and effective method. Let's get started. First, open the phone app on your iPhone and tap on the Favorites tab located at the bottom left of the screen. This is where you can add contacts that you want to reach more easily. Next, tap the plus icon at the top left. This lets you add someone new to your favorites list, which is important for bypassing silent mode. Now select the contact you want to reach. Choose Call, and then tap on their mobile number. They're now added to your favorites. After that, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down, and tap on Focus, which helps manage how and when your phone alerts you. Now tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure it's turned on. This is where we'll allow certain calls to come through, even when the phone is on silent. Next, tap on People under the Allowed Notifications section. This is where you can choose who's allowed to reach you. Tap on Add People, then select the contact you want to add. After that, tap on Allow Calls From and choose Favorites. This ensures your calls will ring through even if their iPhone is on silent or Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tech tips.